everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add new tags in Wrike. Now let's say you want to add a new tag to the one you already have. How do you do it? The first thing, there are some steps you need to take actually. The first step is to access the relevant space or folder. Now how do you do this? Simply navigate to the space or folder within Wrike where you want to create a new tag. Next, you can use the plus button to create a new tag by right clicking on the space or folder name in the left hand menu. Then select Add Item from the context menu and then choose Tags from the drop down list. Once you've used the plus button to create the tags, next thing you're going to do is to enter the tags details like the name. So please give your tags a clear and concise name. You can give a description. This is optional. Add a brief description of the tags objectives. You can give a due date. Say the due date for the tags if it's applicable. And then assignee, the name of the person or the team member or individual that is assigned the task. So the person's name also must be there, fill it in, and then custom fields. You can add values to any relevant custom fields if it's applicable. So once you're through with putting in these details, which is the task details, next thing you'll do is to click the create button to finalize the task creation. Now there are other methods you can use instead of using this method I just mentioned, these 4 steps. You can have to use a different method, which is the what? 1. Use the plus button in the top right corner. Simply click the plus button in the top right corner of your Wrike workspace and select tag from the drop down menu. Very easy. You don't have to go through the whole process, we just went through. Then you can also use another method, which is the new item button in the table view. But first you have to switch to table view in the relevant space or folder. Then click the plus button at the bottom of the tags list and then you select tags from the drop down menu. It's as simple as that. So once you're through with all the steps, you can easily create new tags within Wrike to organize and manage your work effectively. I hope this helps you. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more if you haven't done that already. So see you in the next video about Wrike.